Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. If you are just starting out as a freelance writer, you may have seen a phenomenon that happens all the time in creative fields. It's something that makes me really angry because it's an example of unscrupulous people taking advantage of creatives, in this case writers, whose desperation to find work puts them in a vulnerable situation. I hate it when people take advantage of others. I hate it even more when people prey on those who are vulnerable. So what happens is that you're searching through ads for writers on job sites and you see entry after entry containing variations of this phrase. We do not have the budget to pay you at this time, but you will get great exposure and an opportunity to build your portfolio. Ugh. If you're a new freelancer and you haven't seen this, don't worry, you will. And when you do, I am begging you, scroll on by. The people posting these ads are not poor startups that are struggling to pay the bills. They are con artists who are trying to get people to do work for free. It is important that you as a freelancer recognize your worth. If you are providing a service to a client, you need to get paid. If your client pays for their rent, accounting services, and electricity, why on earth should they expect to get their web content or blog posts for free? If you are just starting out, yes, you need to work on getting your name out there. You need to make sure you have a portfolio. But doing work for free is not the way to do that. Make use of a blog, make use of social media, go to networking events. There are many things you can do to market yourself as a freelance writer. Working for the empty promise of exposure is not one of them. I wrote an article about this a while ago. I'll link that in the description so you can take a look. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.